Hey there, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to design a game health UI in Figma that you can use in Roblox Studio. Whether you're a beginner or you just want to save a bunch of time, by the end of this video you'll know how to quickly find, adapt, and personalize professional-looking health bars for your own project. So let's dive in and get creative with our game's health display. First, I want to show you what a finished health UI might look like, just so you know where we're headed. This step isn't mandatory, but it really helps to have a visual reference before you begin. Imagine you're about to build a house. It makes a world of difference if you've already seen a few blueprints. Here, I'll briefly pull up an example so you can picture the kind of designs we'll be working toward. Now, let's head over to your template and tools area inside Figma. This is where the fun starts, and trust me, it's a huge time saver. In the search bar, type Game Health UI. What you'll see pop up are a variety of templates that have already been created by other designers. These are free to use for inspiration, and choosing from them honestly makes the process so much smoother, especially if you're not starting with a blank canvas. Take a bit of time to scroll through. Notice how each design uses different colors, shapes, and styles to communicate health levels. Some might look like classic RPG health bars, while others could be more futuristic or minimalist. Pick whichever one jumps out at you, and don't worry, if you can't decide, you can always come back and swap it later. Once you've found a health UI template that you like, simply click on it. You should see an option to open it in Figma. Go ahead and do that. This will open the template right within your workspace so you can start exploring how it was built. Don't worry if the layout looks complicated at first. Remember, every UI design is just a combination of rectangles, text, and icons, carefully arranged. Alright, with your template open, it's time for a closer look. Take a moment here and notice all the different layers and elements that make up the health bar. This is the perfect time to imagine how you could tweak it to fit your own game's vibe. Maybe you want to swap out the heart icon for something more techy, or perhaps add a border to make it pop on darker backgrounds. The important thing is that you get comfortable with editing these elements. Now select all the elements that make up the health UI. You can either click and drag to highlight them or use the layer panel to pick each piece. Once everything is selected, copy it and then head over to your own canvas. This is your personal project space in Figma. Paste the health UI right onto your canvas. Here, where you get to give it your personal touch. Tinker with the colors, change the icons, resize different parts, or maybe even combine pieces from different templates until you've got something that feels unique to your game. Don't stress if it takes a few tries. Part of the fun of design is experimenting until it feels just right for your vision. Remember, there's no one right way to do this, and you're not stuck with your first choice. You can always return to the template section, try out other health UI designs, and paste them in to see how they look. Sometimes, mixing and matching parts from different templates is the best way to spark new ideas. And that's really it. You now have a custom health UI design ready to be exported and plugged right into Roblox Studio. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Figma, Roblox UI, or want tips on customizing your health bar even more, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy tutorials and creative inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy designing.